Hello everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. I would like to share with all of you some exciting portion of my life. I survived for more than 32 years just eating and consuming the vegetables and fruits from my yard and garden. It's a miracle, to say the least, how a very little or some very little drip lines could provide enough water for my trees around my front yard and backyard for 32 years and counting. All of my fruits and vegetables are organic, meaning no chemicals to invade my body's immune system. I do not consume enhanced bioengineered food materials. That is why I am now 77 years or more. Go ahead, watch this video until the end so that you could get an idea of what you could do to plant and feed your plants and vegetables all year round. I will show some examples of drip patterns. As you can see in this video, there are many different types of drip lines patterns you could set your adjustable drip lines and drip heads. If you watch my video number 66, you will learn how to install the drip lines all over your yard and for your specific plants or vegetables. You could set the pattern of how much water you would like to feed each plant or tree. You could also get all these materials from Home Depot, Lowe's, or any home garden store that supplies gardening materials. A product that has bioengineered food materials. It is not good for your system. Some scientists and engineers recommend not to be eating any bioengineered manipulated food products. Please, I'm asking you, don't be dismissive in consuming bioengineered products. You might say, oh, it's only a little bit. Once in a while, it's okay. Make sure you read the labels and put it back where it belongs and buy something that doesn't have bioengineered food products. Here I'm making calamansi juice for pancit palabok. Right here I'm prepping to preserve figs, peaches, and nectarines. As you can see, these are the types of drip line patterns you could set your adjustable drip lines. Depending on how big or how small a plant or a tree, you could set them accordingly by turning the drip line head clockwise to tighten it and lessen the pattern, and do your organic planting for longevity and longer life. Good day, good afternoon, and good evening to all of you. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel at Wilfredo Reyes-Useful Ideas. Thank you.